Hello, today we are going to talk about an important YouTube channel if you want to program for KDE, and the channel is called KDAB. So I usually search on YouTube for KDAB, and the first thing that comes up is the KDAB channel, and then I go straight to the videos. And what does this channel contain? So this is about an application that the KDAB organization has, which is called QESA. This is a 3D modeling framework. I'm not interested in 3D, so I'm going to ignore it. Qt Creator macros. Yeah, Qt Creator is interesting to me. QESA 3D, no. C++ explicit keyword, yes. Developer's Guide to Containers. So I'm going to guess about Docker. Hotspot demo, yes, important. This is a profiler. Rust, I don't do any Rust. QESA again. KDAB News. This is a monthly news bulletin that I don't really have the time or to watch. Then there recently was the Qt Developer Conference 2022. A JSON library for modern C++. KDAB does training courses. Rust again. Proxy model, so this is for QML and Qt widgets, I'm guessing. Git switch and restore. Git is interesting to me. KDAB news, no. STDS const, QS const, interesting. I've watched this movie. Python bindings, I don't do Python. Less than operator, interesting. What did that macro expand to? Must see video for programming KDE. Strong type def with Qt. Python again. KDAB news, I'm not interested. Subclassing isn't always the solution. Interesting. No more booleans. KDE doc widgets, I'm probably not going to use because these are not available for KDE developers. Button inside the line edit. QML, so I'm studying just Qt widgets, so the entirety of Qt plus emphasis on Qt widgets. So I don't do Qt QML for a while. Qt Creator, the KDAB people seem to use Qt Creator as their IDE, which is I do too. I also use Qt Creator as my IDE for programming and debugging and everything else when I do KDE, programming for KDE. Rust, no. QESA, no. Unit testing, interesting. Qtable view, yes. KDAB news, no. Building Qt, interesting. QModel index is interesting. This is, I'm going to guess about push notifications in Qt Mobile. I don't do mobile development. QMessage box, yes. Qt list is for async programming in C++. I don't do that. Git hooks looks interesting. Git workflow, yes, interesting. Async again in C++, no. KDAB news, Qdebug, interesting. Backing up source files every 10 minutes. I don't use such a thing. I have Git. Running clazy and clang tidy, interesting. From Qt Creator, interesting. KDAB news, no. Testing Q abstract model, interesting. Qt productivity tips, yes. Bookmarks in Qt Creator, I never use bookmarks in nowhere. Profiling and debugging, interesting. All of these series, profiling and debugging by David Four, great. Okay. I don't do OpenGL or 3D. Header spanning multiple columns. Qt Creator and refactoring part 1 and 2. Interesting. So Qt Creator is interesting to me. Grepping in Qt Creator, interesting. Writing Qt Creator debugging helpers. I'm not sure if it's interesting to me. Speeding up the startup of GDB. Sounds interesting. Multimedia content with GStreamer. I'll skip for now. Reverse debugging using RR. It's on my list, so I know I don't know. I know what I don't know about RR. So I don't know anything, but I know that it's a recursive that goes back in time version of GDB. Setting up radio buttons in button groups, interesting. Enum class and model view, yes. No Quesa. Speeding up compilation, I watched this thing. CMake and Qt, yes, I watched this. Compiling, speeding up, yes. Hello world in CMake, yes, I watched this. Adding CPP reference to Qt Creator, interesting. I watched this. I watched the entire series CMake and Qt. Upgrading to Qt Creator 4 when now it's Qt Creator 8. Yeah. Multithreading with Qt. I should watch this. Compile just this file. Important, really important in order to debug issues with your compilations. Okay, multithreading with Qt. I did not watch the series yet. I should watch. I don't do Qt Designer plugins. Okay. Memory profiling using Heaptrack, very interesting. Crash dumps important to me. So these are recordings from Qt Embedded Days, the conference. Converting enums to and from strings, interesting. Document templates in Qt Creator, not interesting to me. Qvariant from value. Introduction to Qt QML, so I've parked this task. I will not study Qt QML for the next 6 months or something. Top 7 shortcuts in Qt Creator, yes. I've watched the video. I don't use monospaced fonts with ligatures. Okay. Model stack and GammaRay, interesting. So debugging and GammaRay and inspecting is important to me. Kirigami will be interesting once I learn QtQML. GammaRay interesting. Okay, so there's tens of hours of interesting video content in here, and interesting in the sense that it's must know and must view for me. So I must know the low-level ways of debugging, what the compiler does, what CMake does, and of inspecting an application, of creating memory dumps, call stacks, debugging to files and console, so writing debug statements, pausing the application, loading it in a debugger or Valgrind, or inspecting a Qt application with GammaRay. All of these low-level things are important to me. Plus the knowledge about what Qt is, how to program in Qt, and with the emphasis on Qt widgets. So GammaRay tutorials, really important. I've watched them all. Okay. And there's a series on Qt widgets and more, which is also very important to me. So let's go to playlists. This is the place where it's easier to select the videos that are interesting to me versus the videos that are not interesting to me. So I'm going for profiling and debugging C++ applications. Important, all of these 7 videos. I watched them. Qt Creator. Important, all of them, 16 files, 16 videos. Speeding and compilation, important. CMake and Qt, important. Qt widgets and more, 75 videos. I need to watch them all. I watched most of them. Qt widgets and more. Okay. GammaRay tutorials, I watched them all. Yeah, so once I finish watching all of the videos about the low levels of Qt and Qt in general and Qt with Qt widgets, the next thing that, and the Qt Creator and GammaRay and etc. Static analysis tools for C++ and Qt. The next thing that I need to learn is multithreading, and then make a big pause, and after many months I'm going to look at QtQML, Qt and Kirigami. So that's it. Thanks for watching. So this was a video about what I found so far as being the most important YouTube channel for me, where I want to program for KDE. So this is the channel that gives me the most important things that I didn't knew about. Now I know about them, and then I'm learning. So a ton of videos in here are must see for programming for KDE. Okay, thank you.